The round ridge cap roll forming machine is designed for producing curved metal ridge caps used on standing seam and corrugated roofing systems. It gives the roof a smooth, watertight finish while improving both appearance and durability. This machine is compatible with various raw materials, including galvanized steel and pre-painted steel. The customized edge folding design can also be completed directly on the roll forming machine to reduce sharpness and protect workers. In addition, the folded edge provides better rust protection compared to an exposed steel coil edge. The common thickness range is from 0.3 to 0.8 millimeters, ensuring perfect forming without surface damage. The production process starts with a manual or hydraulic decoiler that feeds the steel sheet into the roll forming unit. Inside the machine, 16 forming rollers gradually shape the sheet into the round ridge cap profile. Each roller station is CNC machined for accuracy and long service life. The main forming section is driven by a powerful chain system, ensuring stable speed and consistent product shape. At the end of the line, the hydraulic punching and cutting system automatically cuts the ridge caps to the desired length with clean edges and minimal burrs. Goal-on machinery, forming ahead, building beyond.